Hi, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. I am live once again. Let's see if I'm live. Oh, we can't pick up the desktop audio. Cool. Sounds good, sounds good. Beachhead, what's up? Rocket Fuel. What's going on? All right. Just getting things set up right now, guys. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Oh, dude, they put the live chat up in freaking in the Streamlabs. Scar Crypto Face, bro, what's up, man? All right, let me get my face on here. Scar Crypto Face. What is up, brother? That's good to see you, man. This is kind of crazy. They put the. Let me see if I can. See if it's not. Is it not showing the chat? Oh, there we go. Look, they put the chat on Streamlabs. That's so cool. That is so cool. I didn't know. It's been so long since I've streamed. I don't know. I wonder how long that's been a thing. So, let me get my. I'm trying to get Streamlabs and Discord going because I want community members to join. I will mute you for now. If I can. Can I mute you? Let's see if he talks. Is he going to talk? It's 12. Bitcoin, what are you doing, man? Absolutely nothing. All fine, bud. It was there since I know. I don't know what you're talking about. Yo, handsome. It was there since I know. I don't know what that means. I don't know what you mean by that, Scar Crypto Face. 12. Can you hear me now? All right. Well, if you want to join today's live stream, join the Discord. I should probably throw a link in the chat or something. Invite people. Copy. Throw it up in the chat. I have to sign into chat. Why would I have to sign into chat? What is this? What is this? There we go. Can I pin that? How do I pin stuff? Ah, here we go. Pin message. All right. Cool deal. So yeah, join the hop, find the workshop. It'll say voice channels. Let me grab. Are you not gonna let me close that? Here we go. So right here on the Discord, it'll say voice channels, and then we're right here. Click on workshop. Hop in. Join the show. Have fun. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Now, if you want to say anything, you can direct message me, or you can just start talking, and I'll be like, oh, who's this? and then we'll go from there. I'm trying. I don't know what's going on with 12. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin real quick. We're gonna do some quick analysis. Let's go. Let's zoom all the way out to the monthly and then zoom in. Let's see what we're looking at here. This KuCoin. Let's go ahead and pick a different chart. Go ahead and go over. Let's go to the index chart. Let's go back to Streamlabs so I can check chat. Okay, good. All right. How are we looking on the streaming? Looking good. Internet's supposed to be better. I've got Internet Guy coming again today. Well, coming today, I should say. To try, because internet isn't as fast as it's supposed to be, for one. That's like a quarter of the speed that it's supposed to be. And for two, it's not getting to the back part of the house, like, at all. At all. Even the little, they sent a new router, so we had to install that. And then now we don't get signal to the back of the house. It doesn't make any sense. Brand new router. Supposed to be a better router. But does not go to the back of
I figured it out, buddy.
the hizzy. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, it's only push to talk, so you gotta like bind a different.
Oh, it's
key.
push to talk. Push to talk. All right. That's weird. Well, I guess it keeps you from interrupting me. How does my screen look to you? Does it look flipped? Like backwards?
No,
Okay.
you're normal.
Okay, good. Say something in chat, in the YouTube chat, if y'all can hear 12. You should be able to. I am going to put a compressor or something on you, because you're really, really loud. I gotta make sure you don't peak. It doesn't matter. Anyway. Alright. Does anybody else find this double top interesting? It's almost like relatively equal highs. 12.
My bad. I had to switch the bind. I had to change the key because I was like,
You were like, what now?
every time I click the push to talk, it starts filling up my trading view chart, you know, because I'm two screening it.
Let me see what I can do.
Oh, what are you at? 1 month?
Yeah, I'm on the 1 month. Just gonna do a zoom in. Know what I mean? User limit. No. Do I click on you? If anybody knows.
Sure.
Push to talk. No, it says it. Voice activity. It doesn't say. I don't have you set to push to talk. So.
Whatever. I just won't click on both screens at the same time. But I guess I could just move you to whatever.
But I do need to figure out how to turn you down. Or
I could probably do that too.
Maybe it's just my headphones. You got Scar.
Yeah, how's this right here? Better?
It's a little better. I'm adding some filters real quick. I'm trying add a compressor so that you're not peeking on me, clipping on me. There we go. Well, I mean, clipping for the people anyway. I don't really care. I just need to turn you down in my headphones. Then I'll be good.
Got no snare in my headphones.
Not enough snare in the headphones, he says. All right, so we do see Bitcoin on the monthly chart. Let's go ahead and add a magneto here. There's a nice little fair value gap that we came into. Consequence encroachment, whatever that means. Halfway mark. We did get past it, but we did not have a close below it, and we popped right out of that fair value gap. Now there's not really a gap here because we have a close that's flat and we have an open that's flat. So, and we have this.
I was looking at this the other day, man. The fair value gap right above the one you have marked, I guess could be flipped as an inversion fair value gap. Yeah, that guy. And then if we don't make it above that,
let's see.
That could kick us down, you know. Oh, we are above it.
Yep. On the monthly too.
Hardly, yeah.
Yeah, barely sticking it.
Yeah, that whole move up was.
I mean, you see all this trading going on. It's just, but the volume's not there at all. Volume is dead. But that means that, but Bitcoin's also so illiquid that it could just take one fat finger to make this thing go, poop.
Like, yeah.
That's ridiculous.
One ETF rumor.
Yeah. We've approved it. We've, apparently they've delayed the approval, is what I've heard. Beachhead says sideways. We're going sideways forever and ever. And then this line right here is the halving, estimate. That's April of next year. So if we're gonna do some kind of craziness, if you believe in the 4-year cycle, I really don't particularly believe in a 4-year cycle, but I mean,
makes sense.
Who knows? We'll see. We'll see when it's almost time. It's coming up. It's close. So, what else we got? We got another FVG way up here, right there. And what's his face? ICT himself. What's his face? Michael Huddleston.
Yeah, I've never called him that.
Yeah. On the on the weekly chart, posted this on Twitter. I want to say like a month ago, and he highlighted that fair value gap right there on Bitcoin. It was the only time he's ever like posted anything on any crypto. Mad respect, quantum divergence. What's up?
35K.
Yeah.
So that's also equilibrium from the high to our other low. 35 is.
Yep. That would be 42.
Yeah, it's a big equilibrium. Well,
hold on, I'm gonna go to regular. Is that right? 42. Yeah. From the high to the low, 42.
Fib retracement here might mess with you. It like extends. It doesn't give you a true half when it's huge. You know what I mean?
Really?
Yeah.
I did not know.
When it's like overly massive, just take it and just send it down the screen. You'll see it'll start spacing out. But
hold on. Fibs levels based on log scale. Do I have to be on log scale to do that? What the hell?
Well, that was cool. What did I just see you do?
Fib levels based on log scale. Oh, there we go. There it is right there at 32.
Level space. Oh, nice, dude. Hell yeah.
All right. All right. So, that does make sense. Okay.
That's scary, kind of.
So we got that fair value gap right there. Right in the premium PD array? Is that what we call it? PD arrays? I don't fucking know. It's the terminology.
Is that entry?
Yeah, it's the terminology that gets me with ICT. It's trying
it's tough.
So, but what I'm looking for, so I see this displacement push down hard past this low.
Yep.
So we'd have a lot, and this candle closes below the body of this one. So there's obviously, I think that's our next stop. I think, at least a next stop. We get here, and then we find out what's really gonna happen. Is this thing gonna keep going, or is it gonna roll over? I don't think we stop right here. I don't know that it makes too much sense. Everybody's gonna say resistance, and I'm just like, resistance is fake. There's stops up here. Trust me. There's stops here because there might not be stops there, but there's definitely stops right there. So we've got stops right here, short stops.
Look at these candles, dude. Doji, 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 doji.
I know.
This last little while has been so boring.
Did someone else just pop in here? No. Oh, okay. I thought I heard someone else. That's weird. Someone here? Oh, no. Okay. All right. What do we do on this one? On this one, good. I gotta take this damn. Sometimes I forget.
I mean, we got reasons to come back down though. Yeah, that fair value gap. Or did we hit consequence encouragement on that? Yeah, pretty close.
Let me get rid of this. I assume we're talking about this fair value gap. So
yeah, they're all over.
But this is on the weekly chart, and I have this one marked out on my XRP chart. I mean, I'd be very surprised if it didn't take half of this candle. It didn't take half of this one.
No.
Took half of this one. Over half of that.
Though, if you like down from the bottom when we bottomed, and if you pull half of the fib on all your blue candles, your consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right a little. Whatever, just those, just the 4 off the bottom. You do hit half of it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got consequence.
Close, yeah.
Something like that. Is that what you're talking about?
Only the consecutive up close candles.
Share your screen. Can you share your screen?
I'll share the shit out of it, man.
Let's go.
I can't stream into this channel, it says to me. Oh yeah, I can.
Shortstop liquidity is resistance. We know, Beachhead. Ah.
It says I'm sharing. Oh no, I can't stream into this channel.
You can't stream on this channel?
Go live. No, it's... What the monkey?
Bullshit. Can I
notify my friend?
You know what?
Yeah, streaming channel workshop.
Go to community hangout. We're gonna go to we're moving to community hangout. We're doing it live.
It's Aiden. It's Aiden on the team.
Is it not
I don't think enough in the group. You can't stream into this. Yeah, that's all it says to me.
What's it say?
You can't stream in this channel.
What?
Like when you
What the? Show my camera,
whatever.
show non-video participants, show new messages. This is bullshit. Why won't it let you edit channel? Let's see. Permissions. Manage channel, manage permissions, manage webhook, create invite, connect. Video. Allow members to share their video. Okay, there we go. Now see if you can do it.
Yeah, hold on. I'm in the middle of a capture bot now.
Yay.
There we go.
I'm gonna put your stuff up on stream.
You see it?
Let's take a look. What we got? Yep, we can see. I'm making you full screen.
Perfect.
All right. Let's see what you got.
So you'd see these consecutive up close with that breaker.
Yep.
We hit half of that. We don't really have much else.
What about? All right.
See, we hit it right here. Clean move. You got this.
So what? Hold on. Before you move
Left
on.
some weight there.
Before you move on, why did you pick what you picked? On the like your lows to your
ICT
highs.
likes to change stuff, but this is just consecutive, the consecutive up close candles, right? So
Okay.
I took this start here because on another time frame, right? If you were to go like the monthly, that would turn into one candle.
Right.
I guess we could just keep doing this on and on. That's the kind of stuff that with ICT that
Yeah,
is,
it's all fractal.
you know, yeah. So it's tough to look, but
there's your consecutive. Ooh, what is that number on that?
that's
one?
that's the monthly. 222.
Ooh. I've been staring at 22, man.
Yeah, me too. Where is?
I'm just like, where is it gonna? Are we gonna have some
22
crazy?
is the close of this fair value gap, right? What's the high on this candle? 22,708. And I mean, I suppose we could it could go even more.
That wick.
Yeah, I mean that draws pretty good attention. And I bet if we went into lower time frames, you'd see stuff in here that really, pertains to that wick. Like always, you'll always see stuff that pertains. Oh yeah, I gotta grab this to point, huh?
It's good stuff.
I don't know, man. We're really pittering out, Pattern guys are probably all over this wedge here.
Yep.
If there is one.
Yeah, they're probably seeing that thing butt up against the.
Yeah. So the pattern pro told me that these patterns like to resolve themselves within about 30% before they finish, or so 60% of their.
Yeah, it's about 70% of the way.
Yeah.
If they within the wedge that they like to resolve themselves. That's from my pattern days.
Yeah.
I've been adding a little bit of patterns just to try and see if there's any kind of like confluence or if I can.
Yeah. Look, I was doing this last night or yesterday.
But
this is each chart I have yesterday, and it just didn't care about my pattern whatsoever.
Nope, just cuts right through it.
Yep.
But some would call this. Yeah, that's why. Get off of here. Get off of here. Oh, wait. I'm full screen. That's why.
Me, dude. Yeah.
All right. Let's see here. ETH.
I know you're gonna start charting ETH more, right? Because it has way more use. I don't know. Like the whole blockchain runs off of it, huh? Not the whole thing, but ERCs.
I mean, so much runs off of it. It's a little ridiculous, and it's deflationary now. So,
right. Should probably be ETH boys.
It's burning like crazy. Let's see.
Oh shit! I just deleted my whole chart.
ETH burn. chart. Block Explorer, daily burn chart. What is this? What we got? Epoch. In total, wait, how many numbers is this? 3.5 million ETH have been burned. Holy crap. Burn rate 1 ETH a minute.
1 ETH a minute? Yeah.
Shiza.
How many ETH was there before they stopped making it? Stop mining it.
I'm not sure.
There's got to be charted. Market cap.
Burned and ETH supply. Is that the max? Was that the cap? Counter.
We don't have very long until we're out of ETH, huh? Shit.
Right. It's like, and it's being used constantly because everything on Coinbase runs on ETH. Like everything, the whole Coinbase, their whole like ecosystem runs on ETH. I think their Coinbase started their own token though. I don't. It probably runs on ETH too though. It's not their. Was it their own token or their own blockchain? I think it's their own blockchain. The Base. It's called Base.
I'm not sure.
Let's see. Let's check it out. Welcome to the Lunar Beaches Crypto Show. I am David. I have a friend on the show. If you want to join as well, just join the Discord. Link is pinned in the chat. Join a Discord. 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 Join a Discord. Base protocol. I think that's it. Get verified. Go to voice channels. Go to community hangouts, and let's have a conversation, as Tino would say. Let's see here. Base $1.06. Base is a token whose price is pegged to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies at a ratio of 1 to 1 trillion.
What?
Base allows traders to speculate on the entire crypto industry with it's like an index?
Oh, it's an S&P, yeah.
The Base protocol is built on the Ethereum blockchain and integrates a Chainlink Oracle. Ooh. And
now we're talking.
And is launching on Uniswap. And a lot of people hate that fact.
Base. Let's look it up. Base on Uniswap.
Because they're like, Uniswap isn't decentralized. And I'm like, I don't know. I've gotten so far removed from the fundamentals that I'm just a trader, basically. I need to know more fundamentals, though. For sure.
Yeah, it helps sometimes.
It can help.
Just like any other analysis, it helps you lose, you know? You can be like, oh, man, that sounds so bullish.
Beachhead said Base is on OP, but it just said that it's on it integrates with, it's on Ethereum, which OP, I believe, is on Ethereum, right? It's an Ethereum sidechain.
Yeah.
I believe. All right, ETH. I don't
Base chart.
You're looking at Base.
There's not a lot of places for it. Gate.io's got like
you go to charts.cointrader charts.cointrader.pro. Charts.cointrader.pro. If you, for anybody that wants to see the full history of coins, there's like crazy. They have like everything on here. So base, protocol, USD, coin paprika. It's probably not gonna be there. Nope. All right, let's do base USD. It's not gonna be USD, is it? Base protocol. Not market cap.
USDT.
USDT. Let's see if I can find one on here. Base 2? No. Let's do base protocol, coin market cap. There we go. That's the daily.
Oh.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Yeah, it kind of looks like the chart I'm looking at too.
So if it's a token based on the whole. So it's like an index. Look at this volume.
Jesus Christ, 6,000% swings.
This is weird. I imagine it's gonna take a little while to get this thing going.
It's like a. I don't even know how to use this. Is this like a VIX or something? Is this like a?
Yeah, right.
Tuesday, February 20th.
Is this volatility? Is that what this is? Yeah, February.
Why did we go so hard in February? I put this up against Bitcoin or something.
Beach has said, "Yep." I guess he meant that that's what it. Yeah, it runs on Optimism, which runs on ETH. So that does kind of look like a freaking VIX chart.
Yeah, you know.
But was the volatility? Yeah, look, you have that push down. No, that's that. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Okay, I'm looking at your screen right now.
Yeah, I'm pushing all kinds of buttons. I'll put it up against ETH.
Put it up against. Compare to total. Total.
Yeah.
Total. Just total. Total.
I feel like there's something in this chart.
Man, imagine if we had a VIX for crypto and nobody knew about it but us. Anyway.
Found it. Then this is what it looks like. Dude, this is pretty wild. It's a coin or it's not a coin?
It's a coin, I think. Base is a token whose price is pegged to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies at a ratio of 1 to 1 trillion.
Yeah. It is not on Bing X if I try to type it in. Maybe it's only Coinbase.
Let's see. It's on. It'll show somewhere on here. Where's the markets? God, they're always changing this thing up. Oh, markets. There we go. Gate.io.
Yeah.
Gate.io.
What's the chart I'm looking at?
Plasma swap. Whatever the fuck that is.
I don't know about that, dude. I don't
know. Plasma swap. It's on Uniswap, but it's not on Uniswap. I don't know. Well, there's your base protocol. We'll have to keep that.
So many topping wicks, man.
Keep that in mind. Because if I do go to like a VIX, let's go to VIX.
440, yeah, 450 is a pretty serious number on this base chart.
And that is what it looks like. It looks like a freaking VIX chart. Huh. And you see that volatility starting to pick up a little bit. That's interesting. That is very interesting.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
That's very interesting. Some moved. I mean, you could tell just from the chart itself. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. I've got everything moved around on here. Oh yeah, I moved it to the top so that I could find it easily. I mean, we're just at an inflection point in general. It's just like, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna get through that? Are we gonna get through this? Or do we have to come back? Do we have to come down more before we can continue up? That's the thing. We gotta flip this. What was once support. I'm just gonna call it that. It's just easier for people to understand. What was once support is now resistance. But is it resistance, or are we gonna and then get the show on the road, take out those equal highs up there, and then have a nice little Judas swing on the weekly? A little Judas swing on the weekly. A little bit of turtle soup, maybe. Whichever one. Others will call it a cup and handle. Right? That's what people call it. And then we have, let's go to XRP, something that I chart daily. That's why I have a million freaking alerts on here. Just looking at this. Take that off. We gotta zoom in. Oh, we're gonna zoom in. Go to the 1 hour. All right. All these boxes on here, these shadowy areas, the I don't know what you call this, the yellow, palish, orangish, whatever. That's the Asia range. The green is the London session, I should say, and the purple is the New York session. I usually have weekends turned off, but I've been trying to see how those play out. So we did have the Asian low taken out there. And then if I just bring this across, we've been moving up, and we could come out and take out that high. And that has been a strategy that just seems to freaking work. It doesn't matter. Let's go. But sometimes you got to hold on to it. That's what my goal is, to find out the drawdown for taking out that Asian high or Asian low, what the drawdown would be on like max, and then just adjusting my leverage, knowing my risk to reward, and hopping in a trade. So the trade is basically, if I see price take out the high of the Asian range, I would go short, put a stop on it, and let it ride to the bottom of the Asia range, or vice versa. If it takes out the bottom, then I would let it ride to the top. So on this one, you can see we took out the bottom of the Asia range. If you enter long, you have your drawdown, your risk to reward set. You have your drawdown in there, your leverage if you use it. And then you just ride it to the top of the range and then start selling. And that is why you have this big push up here too, because people start selling after you go into breakouts, and people start buying after you go into breakouts. And then that's what pushes that price up. And then we have more liquidity up and around here. We have fair value gap, and that helps push that price up as well. And then it just dies off. We do have this equal highs up here that I am looking to be taken out at some point. I have this drawn out down here. This is, I believe, an order block on a lower time frame, maybe a 1 minute. But there's also a fair value gap right here, just on the 1 hour, that we could see XRP visit. That's why I have this alert set here, and that's at about 61.33 for XRP. The midpoint of that is about 61.13, so that's the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Well, let's get this more accurate. It's still about the same, 61.15. 61.15 sounds about right. 61.25, 61.50, 61.75. Those are typical numbers that I like to play with the XRP chart, or any kind of chart that's down into like the cents. I like to play those 25, those little 25 increments. You got 60, that's 25% of a cent. That's what it is. 61, 25, 61.50, 61.75. If you watch those levels, you will see, man, price loves to just bounce off of all those different levels, because that's, what do they call them? They're like points of interest, because they're just round numbers. They're round numbers, so people like them. And it helps mathematically. It makes sense mathematically. All you got to do is know your drawdown and know where your lows and your highs are, and play off of that. But you got to be able to. A lot of trading is just math. It's just probability, and it's just figuring out a winning strategy that you can play over and over and over and over again. And if you win 60% of the time, and you have your stop losses or your risk set properly, then you should start turning a profit eventually. And that doesn't mean down the road you can't hit 10 in a row in the negative, or lose 10 in a row. But who knows, the very next 10 you might win. It's all about the strategy that you pick, and your risk to reward is key in preserving capital and turning that into profit. So now see, with this one, we didn't take out this high until the next day. So these are plays that you would have to hold sometimes, if not more often than not. But we have this high, this Asia high right here, got taken out here. You go short down to the bottom of it right there, bam. There you go. And that took a little over a day to do. So you've got to hold on some of these. So this one right here, here's the Asia high. It barely eked it out, took it out right there, and then boom, kerplunk. You could set your your take profit right there at the Asia low, or if you're risky enough and you know what you're doing and you think, oh, this thing is gonna fall through, maybe you hold on to it. I don't know, but the play is take profit at the low, which I think should be self-explanatory, but I'm trying to see if there's one that misses. So this is one. The bottom got taken out, and then if you went long, you just lost it. You lost it. You lost that long right there. But we also have this low here that didn't get taken out. So that's something also to be aware of. We had a lower low down here. We come down, we take out this Asia low here, and then we take out also the New York and the London low. So I'm probably entering a trade right there. I'm probably going long right there, and I'm still going to miss it. But, I mean, it is what it is. That Asia low right there just hangs. It's just, ugh. And we don't.
That was probably what you were talking about, like when you were talking about finding drawdown for a different liquidity sweep. That Asia took somebody.
Exactly.
London or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's That's the tough part on some of those sweeps. It's like, oh, is it going to come for that? Or that was the sweep, you know?
Right.
That already came and gone, you know?
And like this one, this is a Monday. So this is the age of range starting out on Monday. And then the whole week is just a big all in, we bounce above the range and then we fall through the range. So that's something else to look at too. When you start off the week, where was the Asia range at the beginning of the week? Because they start the move. They start the week off. Every single week, Asia starts the week off. And then
sure.
Boom. So we got our Asia range. And then what do? We came out and took out the top of it. We came down, took out the bottom of this one, and then you can go long, bang, bang. And then right here, I don't know, this one might have taken out the top first or the bottom. There was probably, it's on a Thursday, so I'm not sure what type of news would have made this thing spike like this, because that's kind of crazy. Yeah, because this thing just went all over the place right here and right here. Look, take out the Asia range. You got the highs up here. Boom. Straight down. But there's a lot more to it than that, obviously. It's just, that's just like the basics of
it went, that range you're talking about, it went up and never crossed the other one, you know, just to the left, all the way to the left, you know, just fed off of those Asian ranges.
Yeah.
ICT was talking about a guy named Chris Laurie. That's who ICT like implements his Asian range through LORI, Chris Laurie. I haven't looked at any of his stuff yet, but I have it written down right here. Because I've been meaning to start diving into the Asian range like that, because it's the only time I'm on the computer. No idea. Chris Laurie. Okay. Right here on my notes.
Chris, how do you spell it?
LORI, I think.
Canadian bobsledder?
I don't know. I'd probably try to type in trading after that. You know, maybe not bobsledder.
Chris Laurie FX. That sounds about right.
Yeah. I haven't looked at any of his stuff yet, but that's the only time. Well, that's not the only time ICT does name drop people if he learned something from them. That's one of the first ones that I really heard him talk highly about it.
Oh, he is a 4-time Olympian and world champion, but he also has been trading for 21 years in FX,
an Olympian,
in Forex, gold, and indices. After a strong GDP and USD repricing rates. All right, you're a follow, my dude. Follow.
I think he's got a book. I don't know.
Say what?
I think he's got a book, but I don't know.
No. ProTradersClub.com. Click link for more. And while I'm here, come on over to at Lunar Beaches and follow me on the Twitter. Do you have anything you want to shout out, 12?
No.
Okay. 12 does not want to be known.
I'm anonymous on Twitter. No, I just don't go on Twitter that much.
Twitter? What's Twitter? I've never heard of Twitter.
Yeah, see? I told you, I don't know. I was just on there the other day looking for some fundamental news on ApeCoin.
Yeah, that's where all the hype is. It's over there up on the X verse.
X.
On the X. That's so God.
So dumb.
It's so dumb. I'm just like, dude, when you have such name recognition like Twitter, why do you get rid of that? Like, you literally, when like companies strive for their brands to turn into verbs, like Google.
Right.
It's like, what are you gonna? I need to look something up. I'm gonna Google it. You know, I want to talk about something online. I'm gonna tweet it. Like, when you can turn your business model, like, or your business name or whatever, into a verb, and people recognize that, and it's in your, like, it's in everybody's vernacular, like, and you're gonna change it to X.
Yeah,
and you're gonna do something lame like post and repost. At least call it a
Pretty-
zeet. Call
Pretty
it,
rough.
yeah, whatever, dude. Anyway. So my initial thought on XRP was we would pop up first and then come down here to this range down here and then make that move to the upside. But either way, I'm looking at this being a bottom and then us moving away from it. That's what I'm looking for. So either way, we get down to this level. So that's what I've just been holding out on the XRP. I haven't made any moves on it. I'm waiting for it to take out the. It's really starting to build up down here. We did take out these equal lows yesterday, but there wasn't a big displacement push off of it. So not very strong there. We do have some equal highs here. This is the 1 hour. But yeah, equal highs, anytime you see that on any charts, equal highs, equal lows, relatively equal highs, equal lows, meaning even if there's a slight little like that, they're still relatively equal, and I always pick the lower one. But that is where people are going to place their stop losses. So that is where liquidity is going to be for the market to grab, for the algorithm to go to seek after. What we got over here? Let's see 12's analysis on XRP here. What we got?
Not doing nothing. This is just what I got sitting there.
Well,
That makes sense, though.
Tell me what you're thinking.
Again, this is just the consecutive up closes. I guess breaker. This be my breaker.
Yeah.
That got halved, and then no candle closes in it since on the hourly. So it's.
Would you say that's strong, or would you say?
I'd say there's some money down here.
Yeah. Definitely, for sure.
There's a lot of people trying to. They're either waiting to buy right there, which is smart, right? I mean, the XRP big run up we had was what, a few days
100%.
ago?
The big run up?
Yeah, when was that?
What are you talking about? You talking about
It
the
went,
lawsuit?
there it is. It freaked out. Yeah,
July 13th.
last month. Yeah, okay, so it's been a month. It's had time to cool down. You know, let's see what we got for this whole move. Well past half.
Yeah, we're in discount.
Yeah, exactly.
It's in discount.
This one is tough to call. It's starting to do a falling wedge too.
Mm-hmm.
I'll always look at wedges because it's by far the best risk to reward ratio for patterns. You know, your target is the top of the pattern every time.
Yep.
You could literally try it 4 or 5 times, and when you hit it, you're gonna make all your money back on that one pattern. So it's the falling wedge or rising wedge risk to reward is nice.
Also known as a flag.
Yeah, it's kind of creeping out.
Yeah, I just feel like it has that one little push down to go, and then we can get going.
Yeah.
And that would also create a nice little market maker W in here. Bam, bam, bam. Market maker buy model? Let's look at a market maker. Market maker buy model.
I had notes on it somewhere. Not good ones, though.
Yeah, there it is right there. ICT market maker buy model. Can we zoom in? Oh, that went to Twitter. Okay. You see, Algorand is teaming up with the Clinton Foundation to battle climate change.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, people are like, "Oh, I'm done with Algorand now." I'm like, "Okay, Well, you don't like money. You don't like money. So let's see here. This is the ICT market maker buy model. So we got buy original consolidation, the last down close before the short-term retracement on the sell side of the curve. That's our order block. Push up.
Somebody thinks that's funny, right? And I am the algo because ICT's handles I am the ICT, right?
Oh, I am
And
the
then
algo.
he's got different. Oh no, he's yeah buy side distribution regions. Yeah,
Yeah, sell side, market structure shift, low risk buy. Yep, that's a low risk buy. Smart money reversal. And then reaccumulate. Well, this is reaccumulation. This is accumulation back in the range.
kind of confusing because it's everything's backwards. The sell model makes it makes a little more sense in your head. This you have to like step outside of retrail thought
Well, you can also do this.
because it sounds weird. You're saying buy redistribution when that would be accumulation, whatever. It sounds funny being opposite. That's all I'm saying. Look at this.
Low of the week, London session, New York session.
This is where you get all these documents on baby pips. That's so smart. I don't know why I didn't ever go there.
I get the information. I just type it in on Google and just click.
Oh, because ICT used to do a lot of work on baby pips, and I never went and looked at it.
What? I've heard of baby pips. What is going on? I've got too much shit open. All right, this is annoying. Inside fractals, market maker. So this is both models. Why can't I just open image and new tab? Does that help? Oh God, no. So tiny. There it is. So this is where I think come down. Not the link. Open image. Open image and new tab. Come on, please be big. Blow up. There we go.
Ha.
So now we need to, I can take this image.
Copy? No?
Copy.
There you go.
Annotations. Where's the thing? Oh, they've moved it around. I think it's on the text line. Image. Oh, I have to download it. Okay. Save it. Save image. Whoa. Uh-oh. Hello? Whoa. What the heck just happened? What are we saying up in here? Basis on OP. Yep, that looks like a game token before it flops. It is on Brave. I believe, maybe wrong. I don't think base is out yet. That's probably fake trading. I don't know. I don't know. Are you guys still with me? In chat? Hold on, I've got to restart the I've got to restart Discord. I don't know, my Discord just crashed. Go to let's get rid of this. Go to the cleaner chart. Sorry, 12. I don't know. I didn't do it. I swear to God. Let's take off the sessions so I can get rid of all those lines. Let's add image. Sorry, Discord is still there we go. It's still showing me in Discord. Watch stream. Camera. David shit crashed, didn't it? Smoke break. Alright. He's on a smoke break. Let's see. Can we see this model on XRP? Is this the original consolidation? Oh, let's do boxes. Original consolidation. Or is it? What am I on? I'm on log. Let's go to regular. Bam. Original consolidation. Then we have this sideways move here. And then the breakdown. Be much easier if I just did. Take a path. Do my consolidation in here. Come down. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Come down. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Now we're trying to finish this one, I think. Finish this one. Come back up. Reaccumulate. Come down. Take that out. Come up. Come down. Come up. And bam, 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 bam. And then break through to the top. I mean, that's pretty close. I gotta bring this down. So that is what it looks like. Let's change this to black so we can see that a little better. All right, let's lay this out a little better. Let's make this green. Now imagine on the 1 minute we're gonna get more, or 1 minute, 1 hour, we're gonna get more of this consolidation looking, look to it right there. Then we have this. We got that wick down, push up, and then bam. That's your market structure shift, your pull down. And that's another thing. I was also thinking that we really don't need to go below this wick right here. In all actuality. Even though it could come down here. And it is crypto. And it is XRP. And these models doesn't have to be perfect like this, I guess. But that is typically what you would want to see. Now this little this little creek here is kind of messing things up a little bit. Kind of makes it difficult to read, right? But if we follow the market maker model, then we should be bottoming out here soon. Because we do have our original consolidation. This is the market maker buy model, right? So we have our original consolidation. We come down. This is distribution. Come down. Come up. Come down. Bust up. Bust through. Get our market structure shift, which is taking out this high. And then what we're looking for is to create a new low by coming down here and taking out this high. We do that, and we've completed the smart money reversal. And then we should go into reaccumulation and then breakout. Come back. Test the breakout area. Reaccumulate underneath. Or consolidate underneath this old consolidation range and then bust through it and then build on top of it and then off and away we go. So that is what we're looking at with this model. And that's the market maker buy model. That's if you think that we are in a buying phase and not a sell-off phase. And to me, it looks like we are in a buying phase. So we're just waiting for this little leg to complete here, and then we can get moving. Now, our Elliott wave, guys, that's something else that I also studied a lot of. Was Elliott wave theory. If I do my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Actually, this would be 3, 4, because this one would come down here, 4, and then 5. So that's my 5 waves, and within my third wave, I should have 5 waves. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, Elliott wave theory, ICT, market maker, buy model, all this. A lot of it can all come together. Okay? A lot of it can all come together, give you some confluence, and then you can really have some confidence in your trades. It looks like 12 might be back.
I'm back. How'd you know that?
Because I saw you move.
Oh, my mouse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Your ship did it crash?
Yeah. Yeah. My my Discord crashed for some reason.
Oh yeah, I thought so.
I don't know. I don't know what
Thought
happened.
so. You see this Algorand? Ever since you said Algorand, and I was looking at it. Momentum guys are really looking at this right now. I mean, that's huge. Because it's right at that downtrending resistance that it's been for a while. I mean, you could, if you trade what is and not what if, it's a pretty easy short.
Pretty easy short?
Probably. Yeah. I mean, if you're trading this trend line.
Let's see. Let's bring it up. Let's just do Coinbase chart. What are you on, the 12-hour?
Yeah. Yeah, just something.
Algorand.
Hasn't really had its. Usually, when you see it, I feel like in momentum. Not that I trade momentum all the time, but you'll see it evolve, and it's like devolving momentum. Like before it comes up, you'll see it like really tank down. But maybe we had that back in June.
Yours looks different than mine. Are you on log?
I'm on Binance. Yeah, I'm always on log.
Okay.
This consolidation's pretty crazy though.
The log doesn't
But
make the log makes less sense than the regular. The regular makes sense because it looks like we've. I mean,
yeah, with the retest.
yeah.
That looks so trappy to me though.
Right. Especially because we have what? What do we have here? What is this? What is this right here?
Is that a relative equal low?
Oh, well, imagine that.
Huh.
Relative equal low. And
You
look,
know, that's even.
look at this giant wick right here.
Yeah, so
Interesting.
just to the right of that wick, the low is 0.1054. Let's start checking candles. 1053 on a low. About this candle, 105. Yeah, that's somebody's got an order there, huh?
That's sus. That's sus.
Yeah, algorithm wants that. Algorithm on Algorand.
The algo on algo.
But I mean, that's decent rules for engagement. I'd have to drop to a lower time frame, but if you just traded this 12-hour.
What we got? What's up, Nate? Quantum Divergence, Nate. We are an hour and 12 minutes into the live stream. Thank you for joining, all 0 of you viewers currently, for some reason. Oh, probably because I didn't freaking tweet it. Son of a.
You lost it and then didn't gain it.
I haven't freaking streamed in so long that I forgot to share. Uh-oh. I just realized something. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh.
Are you gonna trade? No stop loss?
No, I'm not getting. It's not saying that my volume's getting picked up in my I'm there, brother. Good work. Who are you, Naruto Goku? Who are you? Let's see if I can hear myself.
That's intense. Who is that? That's a heavy name.
I'm there, brother. Oh, okay. Good work. Who are you, Naruto? All right. Well, it's not showing the volume levels on Streamlabs, but it is what it is. Thanks for joining and commenting, Naruto Guko. I don't know, man. This thing looks like it just wants to go flying. I bet that's what it does. The Algorand. You only trade crypto? I mean, I look at all kinds of stuff, brother. What do you want me to look at? Are you still there, 12?
Yeah, I'm here. My kids are right here playing video games. Of course, they need help with it. Just kidding. You're doing great.
Litecoin. USD.
We're not looking. If you want to look at something that's not crypto, Skechers is at an all-time high right now, or it hit all-time high. Yeah, because my father-in-law's invests. He's not like a day trader or nothing. I'd say more position trader, But me and him were talking about Skechers for a little bit, and it's been retracing into the gap since it hit all-time high. So
yeah,
Pretty wild.
That's a wild looking
I haven't heard
chart.
anybody talking about it at all either.
Skechers.
Sketchy Skechers, man.
We've got a on the monthly chart, so no telling how long this could take to play out, but there's a nice fair value gap right there at about between $38 and $40 on Skechers. We can go ahead, we can go look at Amazon. Let's go look at Amazon. Amazing. Look at Amazon. What you looking like? What you smelling like? We're in retracements, aren't we? Let's take a look here. Broke through to 50. Now, if we go look at, we look at Amazon, but if we go when we look at Apple, let's look at Apple real quick. Apple, it's already created a new all-time high. And it's retracing right now, but.
Oh, yeah, I guess, huh?
I don't know why it stopped. That's a big, oof. One candle to take out 2 months. Apple, you only trade crypto, bro? I trade, if it's got money, I trade it. What just happened? Or if I can make money on it, I'll trade it. If I have access to it, I'll trade it. You only trade crypto, bro?
Yeah. Yes.
What we got here? SP. I do SPX. TVC. The SPY. Why am I on 12-hour? Alright, we got the monthly. And this one's retracing as well. This one kind of looks like Skechers chart. And it's broken through the 0.786. And halted. Man, could you imagine?
Indicators, huh?
What's up?
You look at zero indicators, huh? Like, I'd check RSI for a quick divergence right there, you know?
I got volume.
Word. I guess that's an indicator.
Not on here. Yeah. I don't use, I try so hard not to use indicators other than volume.
I look at RSI. It's divergences really are serious business sometimes, you know?
They can be. They can be, but RSI is still a lagging indicator, so it's more about trying to predict the divergence before it happens. And
yeah, for like a God entry, for like a generational entry, yeah.
A God entry. That's one way to put it.
You want to like get in there, you know?
DJI. This one, which I believe Bitcoin is mostly tied to. $786, bust through it, sitting on top of it. And it's going to create a fair value gap if it doesn't come down lower on the monthly time frame.
Consolidated right at the halfway. It's a pretty good thing to see. Probably a measured move from that bottom tail up.
Right.
Looks like it'll make a new high, huh?
Man, if the Dow Jones makes a new high, watch out.
Yeah.
If any of these indices make a new high, watch out.
You still on monthly, so we got
let's go to NASDAQ.
Couple months.
Yeah, we got a couple months. NASDAQ. I mean, they've all broken through retracements. They've all broken
End of
through
the year coming up.
786. So this is the spot where it's like kind of puckers up your butthole. It's like, what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Are we gonna come down here and drop? I mean, look at this. There's nothing here. There's no black in here on this month on these monthly candles. This is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight green candles on the NASDAQ on the monthly chart. 6 out of 7.
Measure that once. What percent gain is that? Is that move, that buy and hold? You know.
From
Sure. From that last down close.
I mean,
Trade
that's
it like a breakout.
like a 35% move
Look at that.
on
1, 2,
the
3, 4, 5.
NASDAQ.
So on 6 months, 35% in 6 months on your account. So it's pretty decent.
That's insane for an indice too. But
Buy and hold, yeah.
Well, I say that's insane for an indice, but look at this. But that's what makes this so. Oh, is it just a retrace, and we're just gonna? Is it gonna die? Is the NASDAQ? Is the stock market gonna die? That's the million, trillion, quadrillion dollar question.
Yeah, when they switch it to the digital dollar, it'll kind of mess with everything.
Well,
flash crash and then back to the races.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Oh, a flash crash. Well, the thing is, I said it in one of my videos, is we go over to the Dixie. Take a look at the Dixie. Because it's kind of in retracement as well. Is this that market maker buy model? This kind of looks like the market maker buy model. But it could come down here first. And that's the thing, like if Fed now starts up and it opens up a lot of liquidity in the market. So the dollars could initially become in high demand, which would push the dollar index up, which would push assets down at the start of it. Then once everybody's got their dollars, they start shoving them into assets, and then that crashes the dollar, and that assets go soaring.
Yeah.
That's kind of, one of my possible outcomes of this whole Fed now thing. Oh, God. Okay. Follow me on Twitter. Did you know that, let's see here. The demographics of crypto owners, 63% males, 37% female. I had no idea it was that, that much discrepancy between male and female.
Look at like regular investors, though. I'm sure the stats are the same.
Yeah.
Regular, traders or whatever.
72.
Just look at working force.
Yeah, 72% are aged under 34. 71% have a bachelor's degree or higher.
Shit.
The average crypto owner has an annual income of $25,000.
Okay, well, at least I'm...
What does that tell you? What does that tell you?
It's a trap, man, if you ask me. It's just meant to get money from the public to go to the government, but...
Oh!
Sounds like poverty.
Snap.
But it sounds like genocide.
It sounds like people trying to get out of poverty.
Well, could be.
Could be. It sounds like the people trying to take liquidity or take ownership of their money. That's the whole point of crypto, is that
ideally
for you to have ownership of your money, and that way you can tell the government kind of fuck off.
You can send it anywhere you want. You can pay bills instantly. You can wire transfer instantly.
Right.
At like no cost. It is a no-brainer. What sucks is banks are gonna take it.
Well,
the mainstream part of it, they'll always be. You'll
yeah.
always be able to do what you can do.
What's that? Oh yeah, that's the dollar index. What are you on? Weekly?
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this sweep right here.
This is what someone put on Twitter, X, whatever. Where do you see the dollar going or whatever? And this was the exact schematic that I drew up.
Oh, looks like it's going up to me, but
Yep, going up.
at least here.
And then kerplunk.
Order block here. I mean, this.
See, I'm thinking
like a whole move, but
this is what I'm thinking. September, October is when we really start making some moves in crypto to the upside. And then, because this is all Fed now. This is launch of Fed now. This is dollar in demand, dollar in demand, dollar in demand. Come up to this fair value gap. Where did I find that though? On the daily chart. And then about the end of September coming into October, start seeing that dollar sell off. And we start seeing the buying of assets. I don't know. I think, but the reason why I think we could see this, when is the next Forex? No, what's it called? Yeah, Forex Factory. Surprised, do I not have it saved? What the hell? Go to the economic calendar. Internet's being slow.
We're allowed for the dollar to close a candle higher than this, though. 103.655.
Not allowed?
No.
What do you mean?
This propulsion block here, I guess. So it'd be order block, propulsion block, just for that theory. Just for that theory, right in here you can't. If this were to stay true.
August. Do we have FOMC in August? Or is it next month? I think it's next month. It's in September. FOMC. Nope. FOMC. September. Scheiße. It's got to be next week. After that. Core CPI, unemployment, core CPI. Oh my god, that's going to be a crazy week. Or boring. Yeah. September 10th through the 16th. Lots of red folders on that one. There's the FOMC. Okay, so it is Wednesday, September 20th. And where did I put my peak at here? Thursday, September 28th.
Look at that.
Weird. I'm pretty close. Yeah, pretty close.
Close enough. A week, I guess. Maybe not close enough, but maybe you got to drop that day and then a recovery, whatever.
Yeah, drop that day and then a recovery. Oh, well, who knows? There's the 20th, right there. There's the 20th. Boop. And then we get a week of BS. The dollar keeps going, and then it tops out, and then bam, crash, and then markets go flying.
Yep.
That's what I'm hoping for anyway. That's what I would like to see.
September.
I'm gonna put you up. I'm gonna let you talk for a second if you want. Do you want?
Oh fuck, dude, I got nothing.
You got
We can
nothing.
look at some stuff though. We can
Well,
whatever's
I was
banging.
just gonna step away from the computer for just a couple minutes.
Sure,
So,
I'll
take up my
entertain
screen time.
no one.
Don't say
Yeah,
the N word or anything. You know,
I wouldn't do that.
stick to the YouTube. TOS, please.
Ooh, what are we trading yesterday? Everybody likes PP right now, right?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll be back.
Oof. I suppose.
Exactly.
I think I have money like in
Exactly.
here somewhere, I think.
All right.
I didn't get none of this.
I didn't get any of it. I should have got it all. I didn't get any of it.
Yeah.
It's a damn shame.
What was the one that really took off, or what was I trading yesterday? No, not Litecoin.
Look at is it this TOM USDT?
Yeah. Is that what was going hard yesterday?
It's a spiky. It's spiky.
Oh, I should have more on here. I was trading this. Maybe not. Fuck, just at a glance, the thing looks like it's gonna bail. Looks like it's going up.
That's what I was saying when I was looking at it. I was like, man, it just looks
Fucking
like it's
whoever.
ready to just. It's ready to
Put that
just.
wherever.
Say what?
No, just talking. Put that stop loss wherever, man. It looks like it's. I don't know.
I feel like it's just been eating into this liquidity here, and it's just ready to just like YGG did. Let's go back. Let's do YGG USDT.
Yeah, I wish I would have bought when Jonas just like piped in and was
right?
like, I was all. It was like I don't know. I wasn't really trading that much. Last week was so busy at work. I couldn't.
Golly, when you zoom out, and that just take it off a log, put it on a log, and it probably looks a lot better.
That makes sense.
Look at that,
Yeah,
Jesus.
It wiped out a year's worth of trading.
That is wild. Oh, I'm not even on my screen. Hey. Okay. If you've enjoyed or are enjoying the stream, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I don't even know there's one of you here. I should tweet this out. Say, hey, I've been live for an hour and a half. I'm going for another hour and a half. Let's go.
What went so hard? BRZ? Whatever that is or something. I gotta look at my phone.
What went so hard last week?
Last night.
Oh, last night.
BLZ.
BLZ?
Never heard of it.
BLZ USDT Bluezell? Bluezell?
Mm-hmm. Somebody probably bought like $2,000 worth of it on. What's the market cap on
God.
it? It was trending yesterday too. Like when I was trading around yesterday, it popped up. You know, I'm not the type to just run in and buy something though, like that. But that would have been fun to wake up to.
It was a 113% day. 115, 114. From very bottom to very top. Jesus. And what do we have to the left of it? Equal freaking highs.
Yeah, ran up everybody. There's no dinosaur on that chart though, huh? Dinosaur on mine? No.
Well, there usually is. That's weird.
Oh, there is on MEXC. Pretty wild. When did it launch? December 21. Huh?
Oh, this is what it looks like? Okay. Ooh.
Well, yours is different than mine. How? Oh, I'm on perp. I'm on the perp.
Wow. Look at that. Little poke above and then So this. What did we have? We had relatively equal lows. What did we do? We took them out. What happened after we swept them? Bam! I mean, it took some time.
A little bit.
But
point is, they got swept. So you had that much time to know.
It took 2 months. It took 2 months.
Yeah, there's not. It didn't really leave a fair value. You'd have to drop, I guess, huh? Daily. There was a chance to get in, I suppose.
If you're waiting, what would you be waiting for? You'd be waiting for this area.
Yeah, order block, fair value gap.
Or, yeah, order block, right?
There was a few PD arrays to get in on. That little range in the middle gets swept again.
This delivery right here. And then you take the midpoint of that delivery.
Yeah. I mean, even look at where this candle closes.
Wait, hold on. Let me look at you.
0.04906. 0.04996. The low on this one. Low 0.048. Oh, okay. Not that great. I love it when that's like price is dead on, you know?
That's wild.
Like if the low of this bad boy would have been the close of that, that's
well, what do we got? We got, what was the close? Oh, that's what you were just saying.
Yeah, or whatever. So yeah, the close, I think that's a down close.
It's much easier to just zoom in. Take a, what do you call it? A horizontal ray or horizontal line?
Alt J.
Horizontal line, Alt J. What'd you call me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Alt H. That's
okay,
Alt
so
H
we got
right
the
there.
open. So we got the open 04895 and the close or the low.
And the low here.
04893. So it's,
look at that, dude.
Oof.
0.0002.
So this actually came down just, that much lower than that close of this daily candle here. You could almost call that an order block, but what?
Yeah, you could. He would. He'll call anything, any down close, you know. You got to run out there and find the ones that
really,
you like.
It just really kind of depends on like delivery.
Yeah.
How it was delivered. I've noticed that he said that in one video. He said that in one video, and I was like, so he was like, so you see this, it's not about just like it being the last, candle close before the move down or whatever. It's not just about that. You got to go deep down into it, and if however price was delivered within it will determine where you're pulling that order block from. So if it was
definitely helps that it's at levels of support or resist. It's at equal high or equal low. That definitely helps too.
Yep, confluence always helps. Trying to. So we've got whole distribution through here. See if there's anything. See, would you call this an order block? This is the low.
Where? What?
So how could we have pinpointed this?
It's a sweep. You'd have had to been ready for that, right? Or what are you talking? How we came back into it?
So this is the low. Over here to the right, we have the low. This line right here. Let me make this darker. Let me make it blue. So that's the low. There's a wick.
Of what, that candle we were talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, this is the last.
On the 15.
Yeah, I'm on the 15. What was that on the daily?
Yeah.
What was that? Okay. So, that whole move. Let me just do. I want to do this candle, even though it's green. This is what I'm going to be looking at. But why am I going to be looking at that?
Right.
Because I see that squeeze there. I see that indecision, and then I see this low get taken out. So there's a lot of this.
And then a huge run.
Yeah, and then a huge run, and then displacement. So that's the big thing. You get that big displacement push off of that. So this is the thing. This is what I'm going to be trying to dig into.
Mm-hmm.
So then I'll go to 4 hour, and then we can look at the 4 hour. What do we look like on the 4 hour? Well, look at that. Fair value gap. Almost to the bottom of it. So just play, if you just played the middle of that fair value gap,
yeah,
on the 4 hour. Man, what an entry.
Yeah. Yeah, you couldn't play that order block there either.
Nope.
Unless you use like that whole move, I guess. But that last download candle wouldn't have got you in.
That's what it is. That's part of it too. So
yeah.
He would be like, all right, so this whole move, when it starts right here, we take out that high. This price is delivered to the upside right here, and then it comes down. So because you have that delivery there, I want to take this whole, really this whole thing. There's the top of your order block right there.
Mm-hmm.
You tap that. I mean, you get that close. And you're inside of the fair value gap.
Right.
And
when was that? 8 in the morning? Oh, we're on 4-hour candles, I guess.
This was this. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Look at that. 7 o'clock was when it took out the low. And then it started in the AM, it just pushed up. Look at that displacement. I mean, yeesh. Oh my God. So the 1 hour fair value gap is basically it right there.
Yeah, you'd be waiting a long time for that chart.
Look at that. Look at that though. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. And you get that beautiful, man.
It is. And that bounce, consolidate, accumulate.
Yep. Oh.
Not even a sweep on it.
Nope. Man, that's a pretty chart.
Yeah, it is. That's fun to look at right there.
And then bam, what'd it take out?
Something way from the left. There was a fair value gap on the daily.
Yeah.
Friday, March. Yeah.
Daily.
It rocketed right up to the top. Let's see the high of that little, I guess you'd call it a right shoulder for fun. 11985. The high of this. 11940. Nowhere close, but not perfect.
What's that?
This little, yeah, that one. Not perfect, but
it doesn't have to be perfect.
No, I just like it when it is. But yeah, that fair value gap right underneath your little green. Yeah, that order block, whatever, that fair value gap. It had stuff come up for. Even that whole move up there was inefficient, you know. You could kind of see it coming that we'd fly through here. Well, no, if there's gaps like that, we should stutter through. Should have stuttered at least at 7.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, 6, 7, somewhere. There was. Didn't have to do it like that. That was pretty intense.
What the hell? Hold on. Okay, I thought I was like hearing like little kids or something, but it was my dog's stomach. He was making noises. Come here, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Bones? Come here.
Let's get
Come here.
what is API 3 or whatever?
It's my buddy. My buddy Bones.
Oh, it's a good boy. Where's my dog at?
He a good boy. He a good boy. All right, get down.
Sniper's been trading this
Get down, Stinky
API 3 lately a bunch.
Yeah. Yeah, he is.
I haven't looked at it one time.
I haven't in the last couple days.
I don't even know what it is.
API 3 is it's something that the XRP community's hyped, so
Oh, sure.
it's definitely on my list. And for good reason. Let me trying to find a more historical chart.
I'm getting hungry. I might have to jump off soon.
Yeah, it's about lunchtime. Binance?
Oh, I think I saw a momentum line on his chart too. That's a pretty fast breakout. See, I don't like when you use trend. I don't know. Like if you just say trend lines and it's got to follow it, you sound like an ass, right? But if you call it momentum, then you sound smart. I also do like it too if you're going on closing or if you're going on the bodies, there are set rules to this game, you know, to the momentum game, which is nice. You don't have to really, you don't have to. There are rules. All I'm saying, you don't have to make your own rules. They're given to you.
Exactly. One thing, and like another thing, let me see. Let me see if I can find. Let's go to Bitcoin. Boxes. Thesis used to always make fun of me and my boxes, but he said that my boxes is one of the biggest things that helped him in trading.
Oh yeah.
So I would just draw boxes
everywhere, dude.
Of wicks, and I would just draw them out.
Yeah.
And that's what I would wait for. I would wait for price to return there, and then I would like go short or whatever.
Balls to do it when it goes there, yeah. Because like price will come screaming up at you, just like it does here. You know, it just comes flying up to your face, and you just gotta be there to like net it. You know.
Yeah, but when you start seeing it's kind of slack off for a few days in a row, kind of fuck off, and then it comes down, takes out that low here.
Mm-hmm.
So when it does that and it starts to come back up, now on the daily, what's it come into?
It gets scary.
What's it come into? It doesn't even reach consequent encroachment on the wick right here.
Ooh.
So
I wouldn't even look at that. I need to get more fucking detailed like that.
Always.
It is always closer, you know. It is always better to look closer than you think. I mean, they always say look left, but don't look too far left, you know.
Nah, you got it's wherever the liquidity is. It just doesn't really matter. I mean, you could have boxes for days drawn on here, you know. Just be like, okay, well, there's another place. You can just tell because of how prices moved within a zone, within an area. Wait. Big sell off there. So this was the retracement block. I'm just gonna start like calling them whatever I want to call them.
Yeah, this is Donald Duck.
This is my liquidity block. I'm gonna do it just to piss off ICT.
Yeah. Just start spamming them.
They're out here calling these things their own names. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's hard to keep up with your shit, dude.
I feel like he does change this shit too, but
you've got to literally be like autistic or something. So there's your levels, guys.
The i3 looks like longs right now. Look at it. It looks like a scalp for the day.
I don't know. I can't trade it on KuCoin.
Oh yeah. I'd probably go to this fair value gap though. It's already 4%. I'm fine with that.
Look at that. I mean, beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful. So what is the argument for not coming down here? Is it because
we got no argument, man?
And like, or coming down here?
I got no argument for that. I've been saying it forever.
That's the thing that gets me, man. I'm just like, man.
This uptrending line of support, I'll give you that. That's all I got for you.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all I got for you, man. I mean, there are some things, but there's not. I don't know. It does not have to go up per price action. We don't have to go up anymore at all. Uptrending line of support here. That's what we got, man.
Outside of that, I mean, it's just
we start closing daily candles on this. I mean, I guess everybody and their sister's looking at this. So if we close a big fat day candle under here, it's probably a good long, you know.
I think
just to mess with happens.
People. Bitcoin ETF approved, massive dump.
Word, yeah.
That way the big players can buy up all kinds of Bitcoins right under 20K. Everybody's going to freak out. There's going to be like a week of underneath 20K. And everybody's going to be like, we're going to 3K. Yeah. And it's just going to rip to the upside and just destroy everybody.
That's where I'm buying. I'm definitely buying under 20 again.
Oh, yeah. If it ever goes below 20 again.
I don't know. I could still, if you're on log and you look back, though, we could be going down. You know, there's a good, nice spot at 12, 13 that we've always been talking about. But, you know, we'd really have to drop something like that. Mm-hmm. People have forgot it by now, though.
No, I still see $12. I still see 12K on Twitter.
Word.
I still see it.
Pretty
so
wild.
As long as I still see it, and I don't have any friends texting me asking me, "Hey, what's going on with crypto? It looks like it's going kind of crazy right now." If I don't like I don't have that. I don't have anybody interested,
Right,
nothing
right,
like
right.
that. So to me, we're just in this blah, just waiting.
Yeah.
We're waiting for
Yeah.
the move so we can make our next move. And oftentimes in crypto, you don't even have time. It just decides, bam.
Yeah.
Like, okay, fuck off. But yeah, so that's
Yeah. It looks bearish to me. 1 week at a time, I guess, though we take it. I guess we're only a couple hours away from our pre-Asia, price swing that we get Sunday nights.
so this would be all right. So let's go ahead and talk about the weekly here. So we came up, we took out the high of last week. We did not take out the low of last week. And right now, if we were to close right now, we would close higher. Well, the close was down here. So we would close higher and encompass this body here. Did we clear out long liquidity so that we can start marking price higher?
We cleared out the whole week.
I mean,
trapped enough.
It just went up and down all week, didn't it?
Yeah, kind of. Not very much either. We're kind of in meme coin season. Was this week.
Yeah, what was up with that? Why was SHIB going crazy?
I have no idea.
And PayPay
nope.
moved again, I think.
Yeah, I was trading it yesterday a little bit.
Doge, look at Doge. That is a clean chart. If you zoom out enough. Where's my memes? Where's my meme coins?
Decent